Hey, today on Steam Culture, I'm going to show you how to combine your vacation with your love of steam into one big trip to Steamtown. Stay tuned. Hey, I'm Brent, you're watching Steam Culture. Welcome if it's your first time here. And if you're a long-time viewer, it's good to see you again. Hey, I told you I was going to tell you about some steam culture tourism, didn't I? Well, in Scranton, Pennsylvania, they have something called Steamtown National Museum, which is part of our awesome National Park Service. And this is a museum dedicated to railroad history, past, present, and future. So they have a huge collection of steam locomotives, diesel locomotives, and electrical. But you know, in steam culture, we're really interested in steam because that's where the rail system all started, with the steam-powered locomotive. Just a beautiful collection. In fact, they have the Union Pacific Big Boy there, which we've done an episode on. We'll put a link down below so you can go find it. Wonderful locomotive, marvel of engineering. Before the diesel came, the steam-powered locomotive ruled the day. Well, what's at Steamtown USA? There are activities, lots of different educational things going on. They have a working locomotive restoration shop, so you can check that out. They also have something called the Rail Fest, which is June 13th to 14th, according to the website. Head on up there. You can actually take a ride on a steam train, lots of food and fun. I know you locomotive guys are crazy about this kind of stuff, so head on up there to Scranton, Pennsylvania. You can Google how to get to Scranton, but before you do, you better Google us, because we got content for you each and every week. I will get to work on something for you next week.